Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like one loaf of bread, please.
White bread or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, do you have croissants today?
Yes, we do.
They're fresh. Great. I'll take two.
2 croissants. Got it.
And do you sell coffee?
Yes. Small, medium, or large?
A small coffee, please. No sugar.
No problem.
Oh, and a bottle of water, too.
Sparkling or still?
Still, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
Medium, I think.
Do you prefer any color?
Yes. Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes. Where is the fitting room? It's right over there. Customer. After trying. I like it, but it feels a little tight.
Do you want a larger size?
Yes. Can I see a large? Of course. Here it is. This one fits better.
Great. Anything else today?
Yes. Do you have these pants in black?
Let me check.
Yes, we do. What size are you? Size 32.
Here you go.
Perfect. I'll take both items.
Wonderful. Come to the counter, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How does this dress look on me?
It looks nice, but it's too long.
Too long? Really?
Yes, a little. Maybe try a shorter one.
Okay. What about this one?
Ooh, that's better. Not too long, not too short.
Does it look good on me?
Yes, it looks great. The color is perfect.
What about the sleeves?
They're fine, not too tight.
Thanks. Now, how do these shoes look?
They're too big.
Too big?
Yes, your feet move inside them.
Oh, I see. I'll try a smaller size.
Good idea.
What do you think about this t-shirt?
It's nice, but it's too bright for you.
Too bright?
Yes, maybe choose a softer color.
Okay. I think I'll buy the dress and look for better shoes.
Good choice.
Hey, Sam, what do you think of this shirt?
It's nice, but it's a little plain.
Plain?
Yeah, it's simple. No pattern, no design.
Do you think it looks boring?
Not boring, just simple. Maybe too simple for you.
Okay, what about this blue one?
Oh, that one is great. It's stylish.
Stylish? Really?
Yes, the color is strong, and the fit looks good.
I like it too.
What about this red shirt? It's cool, but it's too bright for me.
Too bright?
Yes, very bright. But if you like bold colors, it's fine. And this striped one? I think it's a bit old-fashioned. Old-fashioned? Yeah, the stripes look a little dated.
Okay, last one. This black shirt.
Oh, I love that one. It's clean, modern, and classic. So, blue or black? Both are great, but the black one looks more elegant. Good. I'll take the black one. Good choice.
Good morning. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Great. What would you like for breakfast?
I'd like some scrambled eggs, please.
Okay. Do you want toast with that?
Yes, please. I like toast in the morning.
Butter or jam?
Butter, please. I don't really like jam.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a coffee.
With milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Anything else?
Yes. Do you have fruit?
Yes, we have apples, bananas, and strawberries.
Oh, I love strawberries. I'll take a small bowl.
Sure. Anything you don't want on the plate?
No, everything is fine. I don't like heavy food in the morning.
Perfect. So, scrambled eggs, toast with butter, coffee with a little milk, and strawberries.
Yes, that's right.
Your breakfast will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'm not sure yet. Let me look at the menu.
No problem. Take your time.
Thanks. What's a latte?
It's coffee with a lot of milk. Very smooth.
Oh, okay. And what about a cappuccino?
A cappuccino has less milk and more foam.
I think I like milk. I'll take a latte.
Great. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. Do you have tea?
Yes. We have black tea, green tea, and mint tea.
Nice. I want a mint tea for my friend.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. She doesn't like cold drinks.
Perfect. So 1 medium latte with 1 sugar and 1 hot mint tea.
Yes, that's correct.
Your drinks will be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Ben, look at this new smoothie place.
Oh, nice. Do you like smoothies?
Yes, I love them, especially strawberry smoothies.
Really? I don't like strawberry. It's too sweet for me.
Too sweet? Wow. So what do you like?
I like mango. Mango smoothies are my favorite.
Mango is good too. Do you want to try one here?
Sure, let's try. What are you getting?
I'm getting a strawberry one, of course.
And I'll get a mango one.
Do you like chocolate drinks?
No, not really. I hate chocolate drinks. They're too heavy.
Really? I love chocolate.
That's funny. We like completely different things.
True. But that's okay. More chocolate for me.
And more mango for me.
Do you like spicy food, by the way?
No, I can't eat spicy food. You?
I love it. Spicy noodles, spicy soup, everything.
Wow, you like strong flavors.
Yes, I do.
Drinks are ready.
Great. Try yours. Do you like it?
Yes, it's perfect.
Mine is amazing too.
Good, so we both got what we like.
Exactly.
Hey, Anna. I'm making a playlist. What's your favorite music?
My favorite music? I really like pop. What about you?
I like pop too, but my favorite is rock.
Nice. Who's your favorite singer? My favorite singer is John Miles. And yours? I love Emma Ray. Her songs are so soft and relaxing.
Cool. What's your favorite song from her?
Blue Morning.
I listen to it every day. Nice. Do you have a favorite movie too?
Yes, my favorite movie is Bright Summer. I've watched it many times.
I know that one. It's good. My favorite movie is an action movie, Night Run.
Oh, I don't like action movies. They're too loud for me.
That's okay. Everyone has different favorites.
True. By the way, what's your favorite food?
Easy. Pizza. I love pizza. And you?
Sushi. Sushi is my favorite. I can eat it every week.
Do you have a favorite drink?
Yes, iced tea.
I love iced tea. Mine is simple. Water. It's refreshing.
Good choice. What about your favorite day of the week?
Friday. Always Friday.
Same. Friday is the best.
Okay, last question. What's your favorite hobby?
Reading. And yours?
Playing the guitar.
Nice. We have different favorites, but that's fun.
Yes, it makes conversations more interesting.